Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm here with this makeup tutorial for Pohela Boishakh. If you guys don't know what is Pohela Boishakh, it's the Bengali New Year celebrated on 14th of April, and I thought of creating this Bengali look for the Indian state makeup tutorial. As you guys already know, I have created two other makeup looks, which is the Punjabi makeup look and the Gujarati makeup look. You can watch it later, but then today I'm here to show you how you can do this makeup right here if you are confused that how I went out and shot this look. So let me tell you, this was shot 2 years ago in 2018, but I couldn't post this because this was a lookbook and I had 3 outfit changes, but I lost 2 footages and this was it what I still have with me. So I thought of creating a makeup look, which I did it on that time on me. So this is how the look turned out and I'm pretty sure you guys will definitely enjoy this. So now let's get into the tutorial. So guys, I am super excited as you can see because I'm doing a chatty video after very long time. Let's get started with this. So firstly I'm going to prime my face. I do remember that I did use this primer when I did this shoot 2 years ago in 2018. So I'm going to spritz this all over my face, and this is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. I use this on all my tutorials these days. So yes, let's do this. So guys, the next product I'll be using is this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation. This is in the shade 05 Warm Beige, and I remember I just got my hands on this on that here. I just wanted to use this foundation. I used it for a pretty long time since ever since I got this, and I still love it because it gives such a dewy finish and it makes my skin really nice, and it is very long lasting. And now for the concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I remember that I used the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and that was my favorite. Like, I absolutely love that concealer. Don't know why I did not get that. So next time whenever I'm purchasing a concealer, I'm surely going to get my hands on that. So now I'm going to apply this on the usual areas I normally conceal my face. And now to set my face, I'm going with Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. I definitely used this powder even that time because I was obsessed with this, and I'm still like, it's going strong guys. So yeah, I'm taking this and just setting the areas I have concealed. And even I'll be baking my under eyes today because I'm going to work with a very dark eyeshadow, which is black obviously. So it's better to, you know, like bake your under eyes, and even like the powder helps you in getting rid of all the fallouts because obviously who wants to ruin the base. So this is the best thing you can do it. Now you guys must be wondering, why am I creating this look and why didn't I do it earlier? So number one, I absolutely forgot that I do have some footages left. It was a Bengali shoot and it's appropriate for this Bengali New Year, for the Pohela Boishakh. And the second reason was I found the footages in March when I was cleaning my laptop, and I thought, why not let me just create this look for this Pohela Boishakh. So here I am, and yes, I think it would be really nice to, you know, like share this look with you all. So this is going to be my recreation of my own makeup look and I'm super excited, you can obviously see. So yeah, done with this. And now we'll move on to the eyebrows. I'm going to do that off the camera for sure because I have been doing this for a really long time and you guys already know what's my brow routine. So yeah, I'm just going to go and fill in my brows and be back. So guys, I'm back with filling in my brows and even I've completed my left eyes, and now I'm going to do the right eye makeup look and start with it. I remember I used Makeup Revolution Run Boy Run palette for this look, but just because I don't have that anymore, like I do have but it's all expired, so I'm using two palettes today. The first one is the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This is in the shade Warm Neutrals. And the second one is again from NYX Ultimate range. This is the Smoky and Highlight. So from here I'm going to use the black and from here I'm going to use the brown shades. So I absolutely forgot what actually I used for that tutorial because I remember the Run Boy Run palette, but the liner and my mascara, I absolutely have no idea what I have used. So what I have currently, I'm going to use that only. So let's start with the crease, and the first color I'm going to pick is this right here and place it on the crease and blend that out in the back and forward motion. Now this looks a little warmer, but the palette I have used earlier, that was little cool tone, so it did not give me this look what I am getting right here. This is pretty warm and I really like this now because yeah, that's what I was actually trying to get, but yeah, what I had that time I had to use that only. So here I'm just blending this. So that is it. Now I'm going to move on to the black eyeshadow. And for that I'm going with a brush like this and I'm picking up this shade, this black right here. I'll be applying that on the lids area. And the jewelries I was wearing, most of them were actually gold, so it was not even mine. Like my Taiji, if you know what I mean. Taiji means my dad's brother's wife. So I wore her jewelries for this look, and she actually suggested me, okay, why don't you wear real jewelries? And I was like, okay. Only the long necklace I was wearing, that was the costume one. Other than that, my earring and everything, even my nose ring was a costume jewelry, but other than that everything was gold, and I absolutely love how the look turned out. It was looking very nice and royal. Actually I wanted to do a royal kind of look because I was wearing 3 different saris. 2 of them were Banarasi, one was the typical one and the other one was little different with the color, and the theme was very nice of that look. And even this one which I am sharing currently, is a very simple red and white sari. That is the traditional one. Other than that, I did a traditional look for all 3 of them, but unfortunately what happened, the same night when I came back home, my SD card was corrupted, in which I had 2 other shoots, and I was so disappointed that why this thing happened to me. And you know, my brother was like, it's okay, ho jata hai, koi nahi, and I was very upset because we all worked so hard and all the looks, and even, you know, like I couldn't create these looks again because first, it was an outdoor shoot. Secondly, it was a lot of time and effort. 3, there was a lot of planning with other people's sari and jewelry. Like all my relatives, they were actually giving me jewelries. The sari I wore, the white and red one, is actually my Masi's sari, my mom's sister. Actually, I have borrowed everything apart of my makeup and my camera and Jeep. Everything was planned and everything was like from all my family members and relatives. But since, you know, I found this footage, I was like, why not let me just create this look so, you know, I can share it for this Pohela Boishakh. In this lockdown and quarantine, nobody is actually allowed to go out, and I thought let's make most out of this footage which I still have, and I thought let me create this look because it's super easy and I know it's perfect for this Pohela Boishakh. So here I am, and now I am almost done with the eyeshadow. I'm even going to pick some with my finger and apply it directly with my finger because that gives a nice pigmentation. And now I'm just running this on the crease area so the colors are nicely blended. And now with the same brush I'm picking up some more black and again applying that right here on the socket area, not taking above. With that we are done with the upper lid. Now taking both the brown shades from here and here, I'll be running that on the lower lash line. And now moving on to the kajal, and for that I'm going with Maybelline Colossal. I'm going to tight line and waterline with this. And now with that same smudging brush, going with a little bit of black, I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. And now I'm going to dust off all the powders from my face. Now for the liner, I'm going to use the Sugar eyeliner. This is the I Want You So eyeliner. I'm going to draw a nice wing. And now for my mascara, I'm going with Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'll be coating the upper and even the lower lashes. There you go, I'm pretty much done with my eyes. There is one thing left, and that is this highlighter right here. I'm going to apply this on my eyebrow bones. Now honestly I don't remember that which highlighter I used for this look, but yeah, it was pretty nice and very nicely highlighted. So in this note we are going to move on to the blush and the highlight. So for the blusher I'm going to use both these shades right here, and this is from Makeup Revolution Hot Spice Blusher Palette. I'm going to just apply this on the apples of my cheeks. And one very important thing I have totally forgotten, I skipped, and that is the contour. So for contouring my face, I am going to use this palette because I'm sure I was using this only. I'm going with the brown shade. I'll be applying this on the hollows of my cheeks. I'll even take this on the temple area and my forehead. And now I'm going to contour my nose with this. And now I'm going to apply some lip balm because I feel a little drying, so I'm going with Nivea Cherry Shine. And for my highlighter today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. And going with this on the usual areas. So guys, now it's time for the lipstick. I do remember that I did use my mom's lipstick, which was from Maybelline. It was, I don't remember the shade, but yeah, I do have this lipstick which is absolutely exact same, you can say a dupe for that lipstick. And this is the Wet n Wild Sandstorm, and I'm going to use this. So guys, this is how the look turned out, and I hope you all enjoyed this makeup look. And I did thought of posting this long ago, but I couldn't do it because I was not getting that perfect occasion to post this look. And I'm really happy that I am doing this Indian makeup series. Plus this is the Bengali New Year, so it was the best time when I thought of posting this video. I lost 2 more footages, which was really beautiful just because it was not at my place and I went out for this shoot. I was really disappointed and never thought of creating that look again. So I thought, why not, when I do have few footages left with me, I can do the makeup on this. And I hope you definitely enjoyed this Pohela Boishakh makeup tutorial for this Bengali New Year. If you enjoyed, please let me know in the comment section below. For today, that's it. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, love you all. Happy Pohela Boishakh to everyone. Bye.